In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Microsoft Planner. If you want to clean up a task view or remove a label you no longer need to see on a task, Microsoft Planner makes that process very quick. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can remove a label smoothly and confidently. To begin, open your plan in Microsoft Planner. Once you're inside the plan, look toward the top area of the interface for the view options. You'll want to click on Grid. This switches your plan into a layout that makes certain task details, including labels, easier to manage. If you're currently in another view, such as the board view, don't worry. Just selecting Grid will take you to the right place. After the Grid view opens, locate the label section for the task or item where the label appears. In this view, labels are displayed in a way that lets you remove them directly. Find the label you want to delete and then click the X icon next to that label. As soon as you click the X, the label will be removed from that task. It's important to note that in this process, you're removing the label from the task by clicking the X beside it. So if your goal is simply to clear the label from a specific item, this is the fastest way to do it. Take a second to confirm that the label has disappeared after clicking, just to make sure the change was applied successfully. If you don't see the label right away, double check that you're in Grid View, since that's the view used in this method. Also, make sure you're looking at the correct task or row before removing anything, especially if you're working in a plan with multiple similar tasks. And that's all there is to it. To delete a label in Microsoft Planner using this method, first click Grid, then click the X icon on the label to remove it. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly remove labels in Microsoft Planner with less confusion and more confidence.